Today I'm gonna be unboxing the 12-foot family bed. A long-awaited day in our house. I have purchased a brand new bed from the bedding Mart. It's called the family bed. It is a 12-foot by 84-inch bed, which is crazy. You can purchase a separate frame separately from the bedding Mart, but I decided to make one. Let's take a look. It is made out of foam and stuff, so it's supposed to be super comfortable. Box number one. I think it's gonna be layered. You got the support, you got your cover, and then the top layer provides lots of cushioning. So it'll be pretty sweet once it's done. So I'm gonna guess this is the actual support system since it is the heaviest piece. And the last box, finally, I think very similar to the first box, is the support layer. So the product actually came with these little razors to cut open these very thick plastic sheets. So let's get to work. Listen to this foam mattress just blowing up out of the box. All right, so the bed is done. It is huge. I don't know if you can see or under, well, let me actually help with that. I'm 6'3", check this out. Look how much space I have. And it's very comfortable. This is an incredible bed. Thank you, Bedding Mart, for selling it to us. And I'm stoked to sleep on it tonight. It's like two California kings together. It's pretty crazy. So you should buy one if you're thinking about it. Whether you co-sleep or not, we don't really do that, but I'm tall. Laura takes up the entire bed, so need some space. Whoa!